Hey everyone, Billy here with Ultra Bright Lights, and earlier this week, Phoenix Industries sent over their soon-to-be released Phoenix One controller. Now, I've messed around with it a bit over the course of the week and wanted to give you guys a quick look. I just want to start by saying that the software itself is very in-depth, but very simple to use once you've played around with it for a bit. The data link comes with 2 power and 2 ground wires, as well as a built-in 30 amp fuse to help manage everything that the data link can do. You also have a section for your input wires, output wires, data link wires, as well as speaker and radio wires. To get the controller to work, have everything connected to power and ground, and then take the yellow wire from your input bundle, which is your ignition, and connect it to ground. You can make that a positive 12 volt connection using the software. On the table in front of me is a Phoenix Quad GPL 49-inch full-size light bar. I also have a Phoenix Quad interior visor bar and a Quad 400 light stick. In the past, you would need a quad converter to power all of these products. The Phoenix One has simplified this process. The One comes with 2 sets of data link wire bundles. So, to power the lights, you just connect them all to power and ground, and then connect each one to a different set of data link wires. Then, all the programming is done simply through the software. On the controller itself, we have 16 buttons, as well as 3 additional buttons on the LED screen. You also have a 3-position slide switch. You can even go as far as to customize the light on all of these buttons using the software. So for this example, I have set all these buttons to blue, and I know that these control the full-size light bar. For the visor bar, I have these 4 buttons set to green, and for the 400 stick light, I have set these to red. We'll start with the 400 light stick. I have this set for a rear orientation so that I can run a brake pop, a center out function, a flashing mode, or even a rear flood mode. For the visor bar, I can run a flashing mode on that as well. I've set one for a turn signal, flood mode, as well as a cruise mode. Now for the full-size light bar, I also have a flood mode set. I do have a modified flood mode where I have removed certain modules which can be done using the software. I have 4 buttons set for 4 different flashing modes. I have one set for a single flash, a dual color flash, a tri-color flash, and of course, a quad color flash. Stay tuned over the coming weeks as we will be bringing you more Phoenix One controller content, from an unboxing to a full breakdown of the controller, as well as a deep dive into the software. How excited are you for the Phoenix One controller? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.